Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 24th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles left. The jigsaw Sudoku, in Dutch they call it cipher block, Japanese Suguru, but you are interested in this one, the binary. It's binary time. This one will be number 9324. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1 double 1s. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here now, so the rest are 1s. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1 double 1s, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes in O double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1s, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1s, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1s, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.